properties coming on the market, so inventory is rising on the Maryland Eastern Shore. It's Friday, March 8th, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the Maryland Eastern Shore Report. While inventory is coming to the market, we are still seeing homes go under contract at a good pace and still under 30 days. Inventory rose again this week to 1,403, a 0.7% increase this week. 109 properties are coming soon, up 17% from last report. 220 came to the market since last week, a 19% increase. 87 went under contract. 106 moved to pending, which is up from last week. 160 sold at 97.5% list to sold ratio, and days before contract rose by 2 to 28 days. The highest priced home to sell was in Easton for $1,580,000. Rentals on the shore fell again this week to 93, but the median rent rose to $2,195. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, March 8th, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe, and I'll see you next week. Take care.